Good afternoon and welcome back to B2 Suspension's 2019 CRF450R rear shock build. As you can see, we've got the shock disassembled. We've got all our valving cleaned and laid out. The stock piston is the piston on the left. As you can see, it's got some pretty big and wide open ports. The high performance piston, our ride concept piston, is on the right. It weighs 100 grams less. And we've got some new valving to put onto that piston to accommodate the new internals. We've got a heavier spring to accommodate a heavier rider and be able to set the sag numbers where we want this rear shock to operate at. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you looking at B2 Suspensions. We'll keep you up to date when we disassemble the forks and do the modifications with it as well. Take care, and we'll see you soon.